This is Thomas Barrett from Hal Waldman and Associates. Today we're going to talk about how long it takes to settle your car accident claim. Again, I'm going to start with my standard response to every question, which is it depends. What it depends on is how badly injured you are. What it depends on is when you call us. What it depends on is how much insurance does the other person have. Some cases are resolved quickly, and I mean, within a month or 2 months, because the person has a clear right to a recovery and the wrongdoer doesn't have that much insurance, and the insurance company doesn't want to get involved in a lengthy, drawn-out battle when they don't have a lot of insurance coverage. Other times, you could be involved in a car accident case for years because sometimes people don't call us right away. You wait a year, well, that year's already gone. Because you waited that year, you haven't done the things you needed to do, so now I have to go back in time and do all of the things that I would have already been doing if you had hired me earlier. So I'm behind by a year. Other times, people, they don't heal right away. They may have 6 months of physical therapy before you even can think about settling a case. Or they might have 6 months of physical therapy and their doctor might say, that didn't work, now we've got to do surgery, and now you may have another 6 months of recovery time after that. Well, that's 1 year alone. And you certainly don't want to try to settle your case too early, because if you have the 6 months of therapy and you settle your case then, maybe let's say you get $55,000, just as an example. Well, if you have your 6 months of therapy and I get you $55,000 and I give you your money and I wish you good luck and you go on your way, and then 4 months later you call me back and say, your doctor has told you you need to have shoulder surgery. What can I do? I'm going to say to you, you can't do anything. We settled your case. Well, if you had not settled your case for $55,000 and you had waited as I would have recommended, and then you had your shoulder surgery, well, maybe your case would be worth $120,000. So, generally what our goal is to get our clients as much money as we can get them, as soon as we can get them that money. But settling quicker is not always the same as settling better. You need to make sure that your injuries have resolved. You need to make sure that you're not going to miss any more time for work. You need to make sure that you don't need any more treatment. You need to make sure you're not going to have any more medical bills. Those are usually the signs or the things that I look for when I'm determining when it's time to settle a case. And so back to the original question, how long does it take? There's no answer. In the calendar year of 2020, the court system essentially shut down. So you can add 5, 6, 7 months just because of the COVID-19 situation. Other courts, you didn't have that happen. I did a jury trial in Blair County in August of 2020. I wasn't the only guy who had a jury trial at the same time, while other courts were shut down. So those cases moved faster than an identical case in Allegheny County would. The best way to figure out how long you can expect your case to take is to talk to somebody who knows what they're doing. Call yourself a qualified personal injury attorney. They'll be able to give you at least a rough estimate as to how long it's going to take. If you have a case, you want to know how long I think it's going to take, give me a call. I'll be more than willing to help you out. Thank you.